Okay guys, look at my paper airplane. Like guys, if it's cool or not. Wow guys, this is the front. I'm not gonna show you my paper airplane tutorial because I have no paper left. Okay guys, I will show you how it fly. My little sister will hold it. Hold this. Okay. Look guys.
Lucky everybody.
Come.
Oh, woo, boo.
Look. Come on.
Rocky body, rocky boy.
Look, this is the final test. Okay.
Whoa!
My little sister will fly the paper airplane next. Wait, here we go. Whoa, look at that, guys. Okay, one more time. Punta ka dito. Come here. Sit there. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Whoa. One more time. Punta ka. Go there. Yes. Whoa. Okay, one more time. Whoa. Please like and subscribe.